I will give you some tips to meditation. See here, be very careful in understanding this. How and where to meditate. Meditation is concentration of mind on a holy object at a higher center of consciousness. It is not just concentration. Any form of concentration is not called meditation. Please say this. लोग बहुत confusion करते हैं. Concentration of on a holy object at a definite point of consciousness. अब आप वो image जो वहाँ दिया है मैंने उसको देखिए. There's an image of a meditating posture is there. Now you see what we mean by centers of consciousness should be clear in your mind. They are points, junctions in your own body. If you commit pranic energy to that particular junction, it reveals a different awareness in your mind. This is the connection between vital energy and awareness. Only in yoga you can capture that connection. If you commit pranic energy at specific points, junction points in your body, accordingly your awareness unfolds. Yoga psychology is telling you this. Now देखिए, if you commit pranic energy only to the lower parts of your body, only body consciousness will prevail. If you commit it to the heart center, anahat जो हम कहते हैं, body consciousness will fall. More and more you are becoming aware without identification with the body. This is where you start feeling the joy of intellectual activity, the joy of higher awareness. If you commit pranic energy further than that, systematically, in a disciplined way, yogically, you will see more and more awareness is generated. Then you don't even need an object to keep you happy. Happiness just swells up from within. You won't be able to control that happiness. If you reach the highest, you will be simply ecstatic, without reason, without cause, without object, without the need for anything. This is the whole scheme of yoga. If you are able to train your system so as to direct your pranic energy का मतलब है प्राण शक्ति जो होती है हमारे अंदर, our vitality, if it can be committed at definite points, junctions, you can unravel awareness to the highest degree. This is the meaning. इसीलिए meditation is no joke. Don't think I will simply concentrate my mind and somehow, that is not called meditation. It is a definite technique, there is a definite marg, path hai ye. You see what important ideas they are giving you. If you commit pranic energy at definite levels, you can unravel awareness to any extent, to the highest extent even. Chakra jo kehte hain, technically they are called chakras. I don't want to go into so many things are associated with these ideas today. But the basic thing which you should know is, if you learn to handle your own energies properly, you can unravel consciousness to a very great degree, which means you are not just in charge of your body and mind, you have reached the highest point of your true being. It's right in your hands. Your liberation is inbuilt within you. This is what this is showing you. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Catch these vital points of yoga. I am giving you the very heart of yoga. If you go to books, they will give you all sorts of things and all sorts of pictures, and you must understand the essential aspect. Science, money, we are studying the science of happiness. The essential part of yoga you should understand. This is the essential part of yoga. You so handle your vital energies that you are able to unravel consciousness. Body consciousness, that is why I told you, is not your real nature. It doesn't even exist for you. If you commit vital energies to higher points, higher junction points, you will see body consciousness simply falls. Higher joys are revealed to you. You get joy, absolute joy in what we are calling the joy of awareness. The joy of the expansion of awareness and consciousness. This will become a reality for you. Systematically you have to train your system to go into it. Then you see the next point I have given is, holy objects have great sattvic impact on the mind. Why you are asked to meditate on a particular object? You have understood why it is important to meditate at a particular center of consciousness. But why a particular object? Because holy objects have sattvic impact on your mind, not just any object. इसीलिए तो आपको object देते हैं meditation के लिए, है ना? So understand this. You see, different objects will have different types of impact on your mind. So your focus should be directed towards specific objects, especially in meditation. समझ में आया? Just concentrating on something does not become meditation, that is why. And then devotion to these objects, devotion itself leads to ecstatic joy. This is the value of devotion. You see, we are studying the science of happiness. The greatest happiness comes from things like bhava samadhi, where devotion is raised to such a high pitch, you are simply absorbed, captured by the object of your meditation, which is God. तो आपने अगर इन संतों का लाइफ पढ़ा हो तो आपको एक आइडिया आएगा what kind of absorption is possible. When Sri Ramakrishna used to go into bhava samadhi, not only he used to become unconscious of everything, for a long time he would radiate bliss, tears of joy would stream down his cheeks, everybody around him would get captured by that, everybody around him felt that bliss. He simply radiated that level of bliss and joy. You know, when the Buddha walked around, for a radius of about 2 miles, people could know the Buddha is somewhere around by the peace he radiated. तो ये एक व्यक्ति में ये चेंज हो जाए, enormous changes are possible. This is the way to change and transformation actually. समझ में आ रहा है? A person who has manufactured these states of mind, he is at the helm of change. It is not just policies and administrators who make changes. Real power comes when you are able to bring your personality in tune with the reality that is you. That is what yoga and Vedanta is about. अगर आपने ये points capture किए हो, you will get a grip on meditation, meditative practices. Understand the theory behind, understand how it is to be performed. Some small technique on a daily basis, 5 minutes you perform, you will see the impact on your mind. Your studies will be so much quicker. You know, if you learn the art of focus, concentration, you don't have to spend so much time on every particular thing. तो इनर इंस्ट्रूमेंट को पहले कंट्रोल कीजिए, कंट्रोल में लाइए. You can handle any external factor after that.